Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Microsoft Authenticator for sign-ins step by step clearly. To enable Microsoft Authenticator for sign-ins, start by downloading the Microsoft Authenticator app from your device's App Store. Once the download is complete, open the app. If you already have an account, sign in with your Microsoft credentials. If you are new to the app, select the option to add an account. Choose work or school account or personal account, depending on your needs. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. Next, you will need to access your Microsoft account settings through a web browser. Log into your Microsoft account using your usual credentials. Navigate to the Security section of your account settings. Look for the option labeled More Security Options or Two-Step Verification. Enable two-step verification if it is not already enabled. Once activated, follow the provided instructions to add the Microsoft Authenticator app. You will be prompted to scan a QR code using the app. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app and select Add Account. Choose Scan a QR code. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. The app will automatically recognize the code and link your account. After the account is added, you'll see a verification code in the app. Return to your computer and enter this verification code to confirm the setup. Once the code is verified, your Microsoft Authenticator is now enabled for sign-ins. You can now use the app for secure sign-ins to your Microsoft account. Make sure to keep the app updated to maintain security. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Microsoft Authenticator for sign-ins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.